student, we are here to going our preparation of CAT exam. So we have first question are, that is, a club has 256 members, of whom 144 can play football, 123 can play tennis, and 132 can play cricket. Moreover, 58 members can play both football and tennis. 25 members can play both cricket and tennis, while 63 can play both football and cricket. If every member can play at least one game, then the number of members who can play only tennis is. We have options here. Option A 32, option B 43, option C 38, and option D 45. So, for solution of this question, we have to firstly know about the Venn diagram. So, I will going here to draw Venn diagram of this question. So we have 144 members who played football. So there is one circle which shows the members who played football. So N F equal to 144. This circle shows the number of members who can play football, that is 144. And here is another game which is tennis. So here is another circle which is shows the tennis members, and here is T, number of T equal to 123. And here is another game which is cricket, and the number of members who played cricket, that is another circle that shows number of members who can play cricket, that is C, and that is the 132. So here is our Venn diagram. In this type of question, firstly we need to know that reason, that is the common reason which shows the number of members who played all three games, football, tennis and cricket, that is X, because we don't not have the value of this reason. So let us be X. And after that, moreover, we have another information, that is 58 members can play both football and tennis. So we will going to show this by an F intersection T, that is 58, which shows the members both play football and tennis. And second, similarly, we have 25 can play both cricket and tennis. So C intersection T, that is 25 members. Similarly, we have another information, both football and cricket. So 66 members who played both football and cricket. F intersection C, that is 63. So after this, the next step we have to know the formula of sets, that is, and we have also given here the total number of members, that is N of S. N of S equal to 256. And move on another step. We have to know the formula of sample sets. So N of S equal to N of F plus N of T plus N of C, and then minus N of F intersection T minus N of C intersection T minus N of F intersection C, and here is X, in which it includes all the members who played all three games, football, cricket and tennis. So X की value क्या है? So there is X की value equal to n of F intersection T intersection C. So here is we add this value in this n of F intersection T intersection C. So put the values of this terms from the question. N of F 144. Firstly we have n of S, that is 256. Second, n of F 144 plus n of T 123 plus n of C. N of C we have 132 minus n of F intersection T 58 minus n of C intersection T 25 minus n of F intersection C, that is 63, plus n of F intersection T intersection C. We don't know have the value of this, so we put it as a X, that is X. So after solving this, 256 and this terms addition, that is 399 minus subtraction, that is 146, and then we have plus X. After solving this, we get the value of X, that is 3, and that is we need to know. So this value of X is known to us, so that is 3. And what is this region called? This region is nothing but the intersection of F and T with the minus of X, because it includes also X. So we have intersection of F minus F intersection T 58. This region is F intersection T and minus X, that is 58 minus 3 comes to 55. This region, and this region is intersection of T intersection C minus X. Similarly, so F so we know the value of this region. So there is n of T intersection, that is C intersection T minus X comes to, which is 25 minus 3 comes to 22. So in this question we have to know if every member can play at least one game, then the number of members who can play only tennis is. So we have to know this value, this shaded region, and this shaded region is nothing but the value which is subtracted from this, that is these three values, because this shaded region does not include these three values, but the number of tennis who play tennis, this include all three numbers and also this. So we don't need these three values for our answer. And so this shaded region we let us T dash and T dash. So to find out this region, we have n T dash 123 minus 55 minus 3 minus 22 is equals to 123 minus 55 minus 3 minus 22, and here n t dash equal to 123 minus its total is 80, and that is 43, and this is what we required in the question. So our answer is n t dash, that is 43. That is our answer. That is, every member can play at least one game. Then the number of members who can play the only tennis. The number of members who can play tennis, only tennis, that is n t dash 43. That is our answer. I hope you all can understand this, able to solve this type of questions, and have a nice day. Thank you.